Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So this is a late video, super late, but this is a collab with the Palette Collab girls. The group was started by Jennifer Miller, and it's just 4 of us that come on. We use a new palette to us, or a palette that we've only used maybe once or twice at the most, and come on and do a look. This month the theme is a Halloween orange or purple look. Now, if you've been with me for some time, you guys know that I'm not a big Halloween person. I really don't celebrate Halloween at all. Choices were a purple or orange look, orange and black. I don't know if I really want to do like black all the way in it. I'll probably put a little bit of black of some sort, but I'm going to do a purpley, but a soft purpley look, because I do have a couple new products I want to try that I did pick up recently. So I did already do my brows. I primed my eyes with the Juvia's Place Eye Primer in the shade 1 right here. I did already set the primer with this Essence Soft Touch eyeshadow. This is in just the one. It's just a matte white. And then now we're just going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to use this new Tresloose Beauty Forever Brilliant liquid shadow in Amethyst. It's like a duochrome purple. I picked this up and I thought this would be really pretty to put on the eyes. If you're not aware, right now Tresloose Beauty at Ulta is 50% off of their price. So it looks like that. Look how beautiful that is. It's like just a soft purple duochrome, but so pretty. And then I also got this Tresloose Intenso liner, and this is in the color Confident. This is more like a mauvey purple, but I still thought that it would be really pretty if I added that on the waterline. I may do that, I may not, because now looking, they're kind of different, but it still, I think, nonetheless would be pretty. I think it would still come out good. And then for the video, I thought I would just pull these palettes. These are the ColourPop palettes here. The Hocus Pocus and the Witching Hour from the Hocus Pocus collection. And the reason I did, although I'm not a big Halloween supporter or anything, I did pick these up because the shades are beautiful in these. I got these, I think I had this one first, and then I got this one, I think, another time. I think I got it in a mystery box. This one here. This is the second one. And I think I got it in a mystery box, so then I ended up picking up the first one, just because I did love that shade collection a lot better. So this one does have a really pretty purple we could use in here. And then this has like some mauve tone purples as well, but I could probably use some of those browns. I just thought I would incorporate this. I have only used this a few times, maybe once or twice. This one maybe once. So we're just going to go ahead and play in it and we're going to see. Okay, so the first shade I'm just going to start in is this one here called Summon Us. It is just a matte all over color just to get started. So everybody that's in this will be linked down below. This does have a mirror, which is really nice. It's pretty sturdy too. It's not like a flimsy, cheap mirror. the look is done. I did not do my lips because I'm not sure what color I'm going to do. But this is the finished look that I did. I do like how it came out. I did end up adding that liner that I mentioned to you guys on the bottom. The completed look, I do like it. I did go ahead and use highlighter palette. I used this shade and this shade, and I mixed it together. They're really pretty. It's not really my cup of tea anymore, but I'll see if my daughter wants it. If not, I will give it away. But this is going to complete the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it turned out really nice. I used quite a bit of shades, actually. And then I just finished off with my my Benefit FanFest mascara on the top lashes. And then I put the Clinique High Impact on the bottom. But yeah, that's the finished look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.